A building that opened on WKU's campus back in 1939 now bears the name of Charles Hardcastle, a former Bowling Green mayor and WKU alumnus who hopes his family's gift will impact generations to come.
You can't rewrite history, but you learn from history because it has a tendency to repeat itself.
Charles Hardcastle is leaving his mark on WKU.
I think it's very important that we understand the history, the good and the bad.
Hardcastle wasn't even born when construction began on the Kentucky building in 1931. Delayed by the Great Depression, it didn't fully open until 1939, 12 years before the Alvaton native arrived as a student.
When I first came to Western, my tuition the first semester was $35.
It may bear his name now, but the 1955 graduate with a double major in history and government says his main memory of the Kentucky building has nothing to do with history.
When I first came here, we had a reception in this building for freshmen, and we always wanted to come and check out the freshman girls. Maybe I remembered the girls better than the building.
And thank you for, as you say, paying it forward.
Last week, a luncheon and dedication was held in honor of the Hardcastle's $1.5 million gift benefiting the museum.
There will be stipends that are going to be figured into this gift as well over time too. How can we help those students? I think that Charles Hardcastle and Carolyn Hardcastle really wanted to be able to touch with this.
While he wasn't expecting all the fanfare, Hardcastle says he's proud of the impact.
I think that'd be a whole lot better to have that than be a tombstone in the Fairview Cemetery.
Bjorkman says there's no way to overstate the long-term impact a gift like this will have. With this week's View from the Hill, I'm Amy Bingham.